welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Embrace the allure of nature's beauty as we embark on a creativity through sunset pencil sceneries. In this artistic heaven, discover the magic of shadows dancing under the sun's golden glow, meticulously brought to life through the tip of a pencil. Join me in unraveling the stories whispered by each stroke, where art and sunlight converge. Don't miss out on the mesmerizing fusion of imagination and reality. From quick gesture sketches to detailed studies, artists explore emotions, movement, texture with just a pencil or a pen. Sketching is a journey of discovery, a way to unleash creativity and captures the essence of a subject. It encourages observation, patience, and a keen eye for detail. So grab your sketchbook and let your imagination soar as you embark on your next sketching adventure. Subscribe now and let your imagination unfold with every shade and line in Sunwest pencil sceneries. Let the creative journey begin. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.